Hello, my dear viewers, my well-wishers, and my patrons. Tonight I have appeared before you with most important phrasal verbs. They are only 5 in number, and all these phrasal verbs are very important for all types of exams like Madhyamik, HS, CBSE, ISC, ICS, etc. And also for IELTS. My first item is I cannot decide what I should do now. So I should decide means I cannot understand. So you have to write I cannot make out what I should do now. I cannot make out, that means I cannot decide or understand what I should do now. My second item is nothing can compensate the loss of health. So here compensate means make up for. So you will have to write nothing can make up for the loss of health. So health is wealth. The two friends must end their enmity after a long time. Here enmity is quarrel, dispute, etc. So the two friends must make up with their enmity after a long time. The two friends must make up with their enmity after a long time. It may be quarrel, it may be dispute, it may be conflict, etc. My fourth item is the lady is taking much time to decorate herself before attending the party. You will have to write the lady is taking much time to make herself up, that is make up, to make herself up before attending the party. My fifth item is the teacher is always wailing the headmaster. That means he is too much gentle, too much polite with the headmaster. So you have to write the teacher is always making up to the headmaster. Making up to the headmaster. That's the end of my lesson, and I hope, fervently hope, that all of you will subscribe, will like, comment and share. Thanking all of you. Stay safe, stay mellow. Good night.